Hi guys, welcome back to the How channel. I have received several comments asking me to smash this perfect 2.5-inch cube that I created from smashing aluminum foil and then polishing it. I've also received other comments saying to cut it in half and to see what the layers look like inside. So I thought, you know what would be a fun thing to do with this cube instead of just put it on the shelf? So I decided that I'm going to try several things. I want to see if I can drop it from a drone. The only drone I have right now, Spark. It's actually a smaller drone. It doesn't carry a ton of weight, but it might actually be able to pick this aluminum foil cube up. How much does the Spark weigh with and without the battery? And how much does the cube weigh? Okay, let's first try the Spark without a battery. We're gonna set the units to ounces and Spark without battery. 7.3 ounces. Okay, that's without battery. Let's go ahead and put the battery on the Spark. And now it weighs 10.72 ounces. Now let's find out what the cube weighs. You can see I just tied the string on here so that I can try to lift it with the drone. Cube, 9.88 ounces. So it is really, really close to the weight of the drone with a battery. Really, really close. Now, if you can see behind me, I have a 50-ton press that at the end of this thing, I really do want to see what it will do to smash this. This was one of the aluminum balls that we made, and that's how much we were able to smash it. I have tied a string onto this cube, and I'm going to now tie the string on to the drone. I think what I'm going to do is just tie it on the outside of one of these arms, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it to where it's center of the drone and put the battery on. So the battery is actually going to slide over top of the string, and I'm going to hold this string right in the center, right there. Now, theoretically, what should happen is the drone goes up and lifts that cube like that. Hey, look, it looks like a disco ball. Let's go test it. I'm gonna go ahead and use the cube as a launching pad. I have it in sport mode, so it has a little more strength. Here we go. It's not gonna happen. Dang. Okay, as much as I was hoping that was going to work, I knew it wasn't going to. The Spark has a tough enough time getting up in the air on its own with its own weight. Adding the same weight onto it doesn't help. I'm kind of having second thoughts. I really love this thing. I do want to see what it looks like smashed, but before we smash it, let's go ahead and cut it in half. I've got this little mini bench vise right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this fishing line off. Listen to it smash. Okay, that's on there pretty good. Put this shield right here so the camera doesn't get ruined. So we're gonna be using this cutting tool. Oh, those are nice. Look at that. That is definitely not going as fast as I want it to. And it's creating nice, smooth, flat edges in there, and that's not what we want. We want to see the layers inside. So I'm gonna get a little more rough with it and use a more powerful tool, the Sawzall. All right, well, it's just aluminum foil. It's a lot lighter inside here. You can see that it's a lot less dense inside. But you can see the layers. Look at the layers coming apart out here. From when we smashed it together, you can totally see the layers. In fact, it almost looks hollow in here. You can see it's a little concave. When we got to the center, it was a lot easier to cut. Now I want to put it back together here, and I want to smash it this way, and then maybe we'll smash it the other way. This way first, and then we'll turn it and smash it again. Okay, here we go. It's smashing out the center. That is so cool looking. I think that's all we're gonna get. That's pretty smashed. Okay, wow. So I used these plates to press down underneath the pin. As you can see, it left a nice perfect little mark in there. And I'm not so sure that that is not just solid metal right there. I was going to smash it this way. I don't believe I'm going to do that anymore. That just gets really dangerous. There we go. Our perfectly square 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch cube is now just a pile of just rubble, just nastiness falling apart. If you haven't seen the video where I made this cube, jump in and click the iCard here or here. I'll also leave it in the description. In the comments below, let me know what you think of this video, and also let me know what you would like to see me do next. Guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on How.